Hello baking lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will decorate this beautiful cake. We first cover the cake with cream. Now we are applying the blue cream little by little as shown in the video. Now we are also applying pink cream in this way. This time I am applying some purple cream in this way. In this way, white cream must also be given. Now you have to bring the finishing with the help of a palette knife. With the help of scraper you have to bring the finishing with the side. Refrigerate the cake for 1 to 2 hours. I am taking a piece of plastic for the top design of the cake. Now I am taking each color like a line on a piece of plastic. This time I am twisting the plastic. After twisting, I am cutting one side with scissors. This time I am taking the plastic in a piping bag with nozzle. I took the cake out of the fridge and put purple chocolate ganache on it. After giving the ganache, I am designing it by turning the hand as shown in the video with the help of rose nozzle. This time I am giving some sprinkles of my choice. Now our cake is completely ready. If you like the video, you must subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment and thanks for watching the video.